Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your Google Drive link accessible to your WhatsApp. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. Open up the Google Drive, and here you can see I have opened up one of my folder. Now to share one of my photo, all I have to do is just tap on three dots, tap on share button, and here you can see the restriction manage access. Tap right here and you can see this photo is restricted. Tap on restricted again and tap on anyone with the link. And now my link is copied. All I have to do is go to my WhatsApp account, and here you can see I'm going to paste my Google Drive link here. Tap on send. So this is how you can easily make your Google Drive access to your WhatsApp. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.